First race, top of the stretch, has Harem Queen, Windermere JJ, Man with the Big Cigar. Remember Wild Roses, Millie Camtena, Magic Ombre, Captain Hook in Pam's Character. They're off and pacing. Windermere JJ gets the first call in at the rail. Harem Queen will come away second to the outside. Remember Wild Roses on the limb third. Captain Hook is wide, pacing in four. Inside fifth, Man with the Big Cigar. Then on the outside from six as they head by the opening eighth and race into the backstretch is Pam's Character. Back at the rail in seven, Millie Camtena. And trailing and moving to the outside from eight, that is Magic Ombre. They continue through the backstretch first time as they move on to the opening quarter. Windermere JJ with the lead, quickly driving up. Captain Hook on the outside is now second, in the pocket third. That is Harem Queen. Remember Wild Roses has found a seat at the rail in four. Outside and parked and racing in a five is Pam's Character. Inside and racing from six, Man with the Big Cigar. Then Magic Ombre, and out the back of the field is Millie Camtena. 29-4 was the opening quarter. They move off the turn, entering the stretch now, approaching the halfway point. Windermere JJ being propped along by the parked out Captain Hook. Getting the pocket ride is Harem Queen racing third. Out the rail in four is Remember Wild Roses. Gap in the cover fifth on the outside for Pam's Character. Then third over from six is Magic Ombre. Man with the Big Cigar, shuffle back and locked in seventh. And to the outside from eight, that is Millie Camtena. They were halfway home in 59 and 2/5 seconds. They move into the backstretch for the final time. Windermere JJ still the boss by a length. On the inside is Harem Queen. Outside and going the long route, Captain Hook dropping back to third. Inside, Remember Wild Roses. Moving up into four, then Pam's Character is fifth. Man with the Big Cigar sixth. Three high from seven is Magic Ombre, and Millie Camtena is still the eighth one as they race on to the 7/8. 1:30 and 4/3. Windermere JJ now striding out to a 2.5 length lead with Harem Queen still second. Remember Wild Roses on the inside is pacing third. Back in four, Captain Hook off the turn, and into the lane they come for the final time, and it's Windermere JJ out there by 2.5, 3. Second is Harem Queen. They race on through the lane. Windermere JJ will win the opener. Finishing second is Harem Queen, and in the battle for the show spot, looks like Remember Wild Roses holding off a closing Millie Camtena.